Kumbakonam Free Ads, one of the top real estate agents in Kumbakonam. We specialize in the buying, selling, renting, and leasing of real estate properties in and around Kumbakonam. Our expertise spans residential plots, houses, apartments, villas, agraharam houses, farmhouses, commercial complexes, shops, agricultural lands, and more. Customers seeking to engage in real estate transactions can approach us for comprehensive services from start to finish. We ensure effectiveness, efficiency, and economy, guaranteeing complete satisfaction. Our service charges are very nominal compared to other agents in the market, and our customized, comprehensive services provide maximum comfort and convenience for our clients. Welcome. Discover your dream duplex in Kumbakonam. This south-facing independent 2 BHK model offers modern living across 3 floors. Located at Bhaktipuri Back, Anna Nagar, Meenakshi Colony, it features a 735 square feet land area with 620 square feet on the ground floor and 700 square feet on the first floor, each with a bedroom, hall, kitchen, and separate bathroom and toilet. Step inside and be greeted by a compact hall, thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes both functionality and style. The duplex layout provides ample room for family living, with distinct areas for relaxation and entertaining. Experience the charm of this compact master bedroom, thoughtfully designed with a cozy loft area and ample rack space. The loft provides extra storage or a stylish retreat, while the clever rack space keeps your essentials organized, blending comfort with functionality in a perfectly efficient layout. The living room is open and airy, designed for both comfort and versatility. It features ample natural light from large windows, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The kitchen area is a seamless blend of functionality and style. It features an open layout with plenty of counter space and modern appliances, making it easy to move. The cooktop area, designed for efficient meal preparation in a compact space. Its streamlined layout ensures all essential cooking functions are within easy reach, perfect for preparing delicious meals without compromising on style or convenience. The convenience of separate bath and toilet areas, thoughtfully designed to enhance functionality and privacy. Elevate comfort and accessibility with a senior-friendly Western toilet. Step up to the first floor through this exclusive, elegantly designed stairway. With a private stairway, you can seamlessly use both floors for your needs or easily rent out the first floor with its own dedicated entrance. Discover the spacious first floor, offering 700 square feet of versatile living space, featuring a 1 BHK layout with a bedroom, hall, kitchen, and a separate bathroom and toilet for added convenience. Explore the compact yet efficient kitchen, featuring built-in lofts for extra storage and a dedicated cooktop area, designed to make meal preparation both convenient and enjoyable. Welcome to the hall area, a generously sized, well-ventilated space that exudes openness and comfort. Natural light floods the room, creating a bright and airy atmosphere ideal for both relaxation and entertaining. Enter the bedroom area, a spacious and well-ventilated retreat that promises comfort and tranquility. Enjoy a room bathed in natural light, designed to provide a serene and airy environment for restful nights and peaceful mornings. Step out onto your private balcony, an intimate outdoor space perfect for unwinding, enjoying a morning coffee, or simply soaking in the fresh air in your own serene corner. Experience the convenience of a separate bath and toilet area, designed for optimal privacy and comfort, featuring dedicated spaces for a refreshing bath or shower, ensuring a serene and relaxing experience every time. Ascend via your private stairway to the terrace area, an exclusive, elevated space offering stunning views and a perfect spot for outdoor relaxation or entertaining. Unwind on the expansive terrace area, thoughtfully designed for hosting intimate gatherings and special functions. Enjoy the convenience of your own overhead water tank, ensuring seamless water access. The inviting sit-out area provides a perfect setting for relaxing, dining al fresco, or simply saving the open air with friends and family. This property features an efficient underground drainage system, eco-friendly rainwater harvesting, bore water access at 20 feet. Plus, separate EB service for single-phase power on both floors. Discover this beautifully designed 2 BHK duplex independent house, located in the serene Meenakshi Colony, Kumbakonam. Priced at 45 lakhs rupees, negotiable, this home offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call now for more details and to schedule your viewing. Are you looking to buy, sell, rent, or lease real estate properties in and around Kumbakonam? Contact Kumbakonam Free Ads at +9 1735872609 today. Our team offers comprehensive, efficient, and economical services, ensuring your complete satisfaction. With our expertise and dedication, we make real estate transactions seamless and stress-free. Don't miss out on the best deals and professional support. Call us now.